Okay, so you have some different perspectives on how to get the painting job done. The decision-making process is up to you, but once you get it done, no matter what approach you use, you're going to have to do some cleanup. That's the part of painting everyone hates, including the professional painters. But since they do it so much, they do have a few tricks that are worth using. To start with, they minimize the mess up so that cleanup is a lot easier. The ticket there, plenty of good drop cloths. Not those lightweight plastic kind, the heavy canvas ones. The problem with the plastic, besides the fact that the lightweight stuff tears so easily, is that it doesn't absorb any of the paint. So if you have a spill, you're more likely to track it all over the house if you walk through it. An old vinyl tablecloth like this one with a felt backing is a good substitute if you don't want to spring for the real painter's drop cloths. The felt will absorb the paint and the vinyl will keep it from soaking through to the floor.
Before you move that drop cloth, be sure to fold it over onto itself so any wet paint is covered before you carry it through the house. The pros will also spend a lot of money on their paintbrushes, so it's no surprise that most of them are pretty religious about cleaning them. But whatever you pay for it, a brush will always work a lot better the next time around if it's thoroughly cleaned after each and every use. A quick dunk in a bucket of water won't get it either. It takes time with running water and mild soap. The trick is to get all of the paint out from between the bristles, and there's no way to do that with your hands, but running a wire brush through the bristles will usually do the trick. For roller covers, the pros use the curved edge on a 5-in-1 painter's tool to force out the excess paint. And you don't have to be a pro to own one of these, so it might be a good investment if you plan on painting very often.